Today, I am reviewing the Dreo Portable Air Conditioners. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the standout features of the Dreo AC318S is its ultra-powerful ice-cool system, which offers fast and efficient cooling. This system can deliver cold air up to 14 feet away, making sure that even larger rooms feel the chill quickly on hot summer days. You can set your ideal temperature anywhere between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees. So whether you want a refreshing cool breeze or a slightly warmer, comfortable environment, this AC lets you customize your cooling experience exactly how you like it. Now, noise levels can be a big concern with portable air conditioners, especially when used in bedrooms or quiet spaces. Luckily, Dreo has addressed this with their patented noise isolation system. This innovative technology minimizes compressor and airflow noise, reducing operational sounds to just 45 decibels. To give you perspective, that's quieter than a normal conversation or a quiet library, so you can enjoy peaceful sleep or focus on work without distractions. Another impressive feature is the true drainage-free system. If you've ever dealt with the hassle of manually emptying water tanks or worrying about drainage tubes, this system is a game changer. Thanks to smart sensors, a patented algorithm, and a built-in pump, the Dreo AC automatically evaporates excess water. This means you won't have to deal with draining or worrying about water overflow, even in high humidity environments up to 90%. This makes the unit incredibly low maintenance and user-friendly. Speaking of user-friendly, this is a truly smart air conditioner. You can control it easily using the Dreo app on your phone or with your voice through popular smart home devices like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Whether you want to turn it on, adjust the temperature, or customize your sleep curve settings, it's all possible with simple voice commands or taps on your smartphone. This level of control adds a modern convenience that's perfect for today's connected homes. Versatility is another key advantage of this unit. It's a 3-in-1 system combining cooling, fan, and dry modes. This means besides cooling your room, you can use it to circulate air on warmer days without cooling or to reduce humidity levels during rainy or muggy weather. Each mode comes with multiple control options to adjust fan speed and intensity, allowing you to tailor it for any situation, whether you want a gentle breeze, strong cooling, or humidity control. Installation and portability are also well thought out. The unit comes with smooth caster wheels that let you move it easily from room to room without lifting. It also includes 4 modular window panels designed to fit both horizontal and vertical sliding windows, accommodating window sizes from 17 to 53 inches. The 59-inch exhaust hose makes venting simple, so setup is hassle-free, even for those who aren't handy with tools. In terms of build and design, the Dreo AC318S has a clean, modern look with a large LED display that's easy to read and control. Its white finish fits well in any home decor, and the compact dimensions make it a practical choice even for smaller spaces. Finally, the customer service and support from Dreo are highly rated. They offer expert guidance and around-the-clock assistance, ensuring you get the best experience possible with your air conditioner. To sum it up, the Dreo 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is an excellent choice if you want efficient, quiet, and smart cooling for your bedroom or small living space. Its powerful ice-cool system, drainage-free operation, and smart controls make it stand out from many other portable AC units on the market. Whether you need fast cooling on a hot day or a quiet fan to keep you comfortable while you sleep, this unit covers all bases with style and convenience. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and smart portable AC for 2025, the Dreo AC318S is definitely worth considering. It balances power, quiet operation, and smart features perfectly, making your cooling experience comfortable and hassle-free. Thanks for listening to this review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.